LG Q61 with military-grade durability, quad rear cameras, launched for $300. LG has launched a new mid-range smartphone in South Korea. Called the LG Q61, the device is a rebranded LG K61 that was originally announced last February. It comes with a FHD Plus punch-hole display, quad rear cameras, DTS, X3D stereo and military-grade durability. LG Q61 features and specifications. The LG Q61 features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display, 2340 by 1080 pixels with 19.59 aspect ratio. It is powered by the MediaTek Helio P35 MT6765 12nm processor that comes with a 2.3 GHz octa-core CPU and the IMG PowerVR GE8320 GPU. It sports 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of onboard storage that can be expanded by up to 2 TB with a microSD card. On the imaging front, the quad-cam setup at the rear is led by a 4.8MP primary camera. It also has an 8MP ultra-wide camera, a 5MP depth sensor and a 2MP macro shooter. Additionally, there's a 16MP selfie shooter within the punch hole cutout up front. The device also carries a 4000 mAh battery and conforms to the military-grade MIL STD810G standard. Connectivity options on the LG Q61 include dual-band Wi-Fi, LTE, Bluetooth V5.0, NFC and a USB Type-C port for charging. On the software front, the device runs Android 10 and supports DTS, X3D stereo function. Lastly, the phone comes with a fingerprint scanner on the back and measures 164.5 x 77.5 x 8.3 mm. LG Q61 Price and Availability. The LG Q61 comes in white and has been priced at 369,600 won, around $300 per Rs. 22,000. It will go on sale in South Korea from May 29, but is unlikely to see a global launch.